In a universe where the impossible becomes possible, where the act of observation alters the very essence of reality itself, we embark on our journey through the enigmatic realm of quantum physics. This is an invitation to dive deep into one of the most revolutionary theories in physics, introduced by visionaries Niels Bohr and Werner Heisenberg in the early 20th century. Prepare to unravel mysteries that challenge our traditional understanding of the universe, in an exploration that redefines the boundary between the possible and the imaginary. At the heart of this adventure lies Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, an idea that shook the foundations of classical physics. This principle suggests a fundamental limitation on the accuracy with which certain properties, such as position and momentum, of subatomic particles can be known simultaneously. But, what does this mean in practice? And more importantly, how does it affect our perception of reality? Quantum theory teaches us that at the most fundamental level, the universe is not a static collection of objects, but rather an ocean of possibilities. By observing a particle, we are not merely recording its state, we are, in fact, influencing its condition. This revolutionary idea, that mere observation can affect material reality, opens a portal to a world where the observer and the observed are intertwined in ways that defy conventional logic. Our journey through quantum physics leads us to question not just how we see the world, but the very nature of reality itself. How can we understand a universe where particles can exist in multiple states at the same time, known as quantum superposition, until they are observed? How does this theory alter our understanding of space, time, and matter? The answers to these questions have profound implications, extending beyond physics laboratories to influence technology, philosophy, and even art. Quantum mechanics is the driving force behind revolutionary innovations such as quantum computers, which promise to surpass the limits of classical computing, and quantum cryptography, which could ensure unbreakable data security. As we embark on this exploration of the infinitely small, we are invited to expand our minds, to embrace the unknown, and to recognize that our reality is far stranger and more wonderful than we could have ever imagined. Quantum physics is not just a scientific theory, it's a gateway to new dimensions of thought, an invitation to view the universe in a new light. So, as we move forward in this series, prepare to question everything you knew about reality. Join us on this journey as we explore the impact of quantum law, unravel its mysteries, and discover how it continues to shape our future. The quantum age promises wonders beyond imagination, and your adventure has just begun. Are you ready to challenge reality as you know it? Imagine for a moment that a particle can exist in several places at the same time. This isn't science fiction fantasy but a reality in the quantum world, known as superposition. This phenomenon allows particles like electrons, photons, or even entire atoms to occupy multiple states simultaneously, challenging our common sense of location and movement. But what does this really mean? And how does it affect our perception of reality? Quantum superposition suggests that until observed, particles do not have a defined state. Instead, they exist in all possible states at once. It is the act of observation that decides the state in which the particle will be found. This revolutionary idea has profound implications, suggesting that reality, at its most fundamental level, is shaped by observation. Another phenomenon that challenges our conventional understanding of the universe is quantum entanglement. This principle reveals that particles can become entangled in such a way that the state of one particle instantly influences the state of another, no matter how far apart they are. This instantaneous dialogue between particles challenges Einstein's notion that nothing can travel faster than light, leading him to describe quantum entanglement as spooky action at a distance. Quantum entanglement is not just a mystery to be pondered, it's the backbone of emerging technologies, such as quantum computing and quantum teleportation. Imagine a future where information can be transmitted without any physical medium, or where quantum computers solve problems in seconds that would take current supercomputers millennia. But now, you might be wondering, how does this quantum strangeness relate to the everyday reality we experience? The bridge between the quantum world and the macroscopic remains one of the greatest mysteries of physics, challenging scientists to find a unified theory that explains how quantum behavior gives rise to the world as we know it. Ponder this revolutionary idea that the mere observation of a quantum particle can influence its state. But, what does this really mean in a broader context? Quantum mechanics shows us that when we measure or observe a phenomenon, we are not passively recording information, we are actively participating in the creation of reality. This process of wave function collapse illustrates how potential reality crystallizes into observed reality, suggesting a universe that is remarkably sensitive to our presence and perception. The notion that observation can shape reality opens a range of fascinating questions about the nature of the universe and our place within it. As conscious beings, we possess an extraordinary power to influence the world around us, simply through the act of observing. This concept transcends science, venturing into the realm of philosophy and even spirituality, suggesting that focused attention can have tangible effects on matter and energy. Understanding that observation can literally alter reality has profound implications, not just for science, but for all aspects of human life. In the field of technology, for example, it paves new pathways for the development of advanced quantum technologies, which can harness the power of observation to accomplish feats previously unimaginable. Yet, the implications extend far beyond, affecting how we approach matters of mind and consciousness, the practice of meditation, and even the way we perceive our role in the universe. This understanding invites us to look inward, to recognize the power each of us has to shape reality through our perception. It encourages us to question, if observation can alter reality at the quantum level, what is the impact of our thoughts, intentions, and beliefs on the world around us? And how can we use this power in a conscious and positive way? As we continue our exploration of the quantum universe, we are led to contemplate not only the laws that govern the infinitely small but also the infinite possibilities that open up when we recognize our role as co-creators of reality. The interplay between observation and reality is not just a scientific curiosity, it's a revelation that can guide us in our quest for meaning, purpose, and a deeper understanding of the connection between mind, matter, and the mystery of existence. Stay with us as we delve deeper into these ideas, exploring the frontiers of knowledge and consciousness, and discovering together how we can navigate this astonishing universe and shape reality around us. Join us on this transformative journey, where science meets spirit, and where every observation is an act of creation. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the quantum universe, we encounter a principle as powerful as it is inspiring, the notion that energy follows our attention. This concept, deeply rooted in the laws of quantum physics and corroborated by human experience, offers a transformative perspective on how we can shape our reality. In this segment of our journey, we explore how to consciously utilize this principle to attract what we desire into our lives, bending the laws of the universe in our favor. The premise that, where attention goes, energy flows, is more than a poetic metaphor, it's an operational reality at the heart of quantum physics. When we focus our attention on a particular goal or desire, we are, in fact, directing energy toward that manifestation. This energy is not merely metaphorical, it manifests in concrete actions, decisions, and even in attracting events and circumstances aligned with our focal points of attention. Quantum mechanics teaches us that the universe is fundamentally a vast field of possibilities. Our minds, influenced by our thoughts, beliefs, and focus of attention, play a crucial role in determining which of these possibilities become reality in our lives. This principle gives us an incredibly powerful tool, the ability to shape our existence by aligning our attention and intention with what we wish to manifest. So, how can we use this knowledge to our advantage? The key lies in cultivating focused awareness and in the deliberate practice of directing our attention towards our highest aspirations. Techniques such as meditation, creative visualization, and positive affirmations can help strengthen our ability to maintain focus, thereby increasing the effectiveness with which we attract the experiences and outcomes we desire into our life. This segment is not just a theoretical exploration, it is an invitation to action. We encourage you to consciously experiment with directing your attention and energy towards areas of your life you wish to improve or transform. Observe how, by doing so, you begin to see changes, sometimes subtle, sometimes profound, reflecting the powerful truth that we are co-creators of our reality. Up to this point, we've come to understand that our attention is not just a tool for perception but a powerful creative force. We will continue to explore the implications of this understanding, further unfolding the mysteries of quantum reality and how we can apply these principles to live richer and more meaningful lives. Stay with us, for there is still much to discover together. By consciously applying the principle that energy follows attention, we open the doors to a world of infinite possibilities. Are you ready to see where your attention can take you? Now, let me introduce you to a powerful tool for personal transformation, the power of acceptance and redirection. This technique, essential for our journey of self-discovery and fulfillment, teaches us to embrace challenges as steps towards growth, realigning our focus to achieve positive outcomes. Let's see how we can apply this principle, turning apparent obstacles into springboards for success. Acceptance does not mean resignation or passivity, but rather a lucid acknowledgement of current circumstances, without judgment. By accepting, we free ourselves from futile resistance against what is, opening our minds and hearts to creativity and new possibilities. It's the critical first step to being able to productively redirect our energy, aligning ourselves with the universe's flows instead of fighting against them. Once we embrace acceptance, redirection becomes our strategy to transform challenges into opportunities. This involves a conscious shift in our perspective and approach, focusing on finding solutions and alternatives rather than dwelling on problems. By adjusting our focus, we not only change our trajectory but also enhance the quality of our journey, making it richer in learning and fulfillment. How do we apply the power of acceptance and redirection in our lives? Start by facing challenges with an open mind, asking yourself, what is this situation trying to teach me, and how can I grow from this? Through meditation, reflection, and the practice of mindfulness, we can cultivate the ability to remain centered and focused, even amid the storm, allowing us to see the hidden opportunities in challenges. The power of acceptance and redirection is more than a technique, it's a philosophy of life that empowers us to navigate the waves of uncertainty and change with grace and determination. We invite you to experience this transformation, adopting a stance of openness and adaptability, ready to transform each challenge into a ladder for your personal and collective growth. As we progress, each step on this quantum journey reinforces our ability to shape the reality around us, reminding us of the inherent power we have to face challenges, redirect our paths, and achieve a bright future. Join us as we continue to explore the infinite possibilities that await when we fully embrace the power of acceptance and redirection. Stay with us, for there is still much to learn and discover. This journey is as much about the inner world as it is about the universe that surrounds us, and each insight takes us a step further in our quest for understanding, meaning, and fulfillment. Are you ready to transform challenges into stepping stones for your success? Meet Alex, whose story is a powerful testament to the human potential for overcoming and success. Initially, Alex found himself in a cycle of seemingly insurmountable challenges. Facing personal and professional adversities, Alex felt stuck, as if life was in a constant state of resistance. However, the introduction to the concept of quantum mechanics and the idea that energy follows attention marked the beginning of a profound change. The turning point for Alex came with the realization that reality is not fixed, but malleable and deeply influenced by our perception and focus. Inspired by the concept that the observer can affect the observed reality, Alex began to intentionally apply the principles of acceptance and redirection, facing each challenge not as an obstacle, but as an opportunity for growth. Gradually, by shifting his focus to solutions and possibilities rather than dwelling on problems, Alex started to notice significant changes. With constant practice of creative visualization and positive affirmations, he not only transformed his internal reality but also began to see reflections of this transformation in his external life. Success, once unimaginable, became a tangible reality. Alex's story is a vivid example of the power of quantum law applied to everyday life. His journey highlights how, by aligning our energy and attention with our highest goals and desires, we can create a reality that reflects our deepest aspirations. Alex transformed his life not by chance, but through a conscious and deliberate application of quantum principles of perception and focus. This personal narrative of transformation serves as a beacon of hope and motivation for all of us. It shows that, regardless of the challenges we face, we have within us the power to change our reality. Alex's story invites us to reflect on our own lives, to reconsider how we perceive our challenges, and to recognize the unlimited potential we have to shape our destiny. Remember, you have the power to transform your reality. By applying the principles of quantum physics in your daily life, you can pave the way to a future of unimaginable success and fulfillment. The true magic of quantum physics and its applications in our lives lies not just in intellectual understanding, but in the practical embodiment of these principles. It is through daily practice, whether in focused meditation, positive visualization, or simply being mindful of the present moment, that we begin to see significant changes. We encourage you to establish small daily rituals that align your energy and focus with your highest goals, transforming your aspirations into reality. In addition to applying these teachings to your own life, we invite you to share your journey and discoveries with others. By spreading knowledge and inspiration, you not only reinforce your own understanding but also contribute to a collective awakening. Whether by sharing this video, initiating conversations with friends and family, or simply living by the principles you have learned, you become a beacon of change and possibility. Now, we ask, what can you do today that will apply a quantum principle in your life? It could be as simple as practicing gratitude, visualizing a goal, or dedicating a few moments to connect with your deepest intention. We encourage you to take concrete action, no matter how small, for it is in the sum of these actions that great transformation occurs. Remember, the quantum journey does not end here. Each day offers a new opportunity to explore, learn, and grow. Science continues to evolve, and with it, our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Stay curious, open, and willing to explore the infinite possibilities that await. We deeply appreciate you joining us on this journey of discovery and transformation. We hope that the stories, teachings, and techniques shared have provided not only knowledge but also inspiration for you to shape your reality in ways that reflect your highest dreams and unlimited potential. We invite you to continue your journey of exploration and growth. Whether revisiting this video, exploring new topics of interest, or practicing the principles discussed daily, each step you take is a valuable contribution to your own transformation and to collective evolution. Together, we can not only imagine a bright future but also take the necessary actions to make it a reality. Thank you for being part of this community of learning and transformation. Until the next journey.